Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Chaewon from SSERAFIM wearing her iconic outfit from the Spaghetti music video. Bright, stylish, and full of personality. Grab your materials, get comfy, and let's create this fun, modern cartoon version together.
Let's start with the eyes, giving them that gentle, elegant shape that Chaewon naturally has. Add the eyebrows, keeping them soft and slightly curved to give her that charming Chaewon attitude. Now place a small and delicate nose right between the eyes. Very subtle, very cartoon-friendly. Draw the lips, shaping her mouth into that confident expression she uses during the "eat it up" moment of the choreography. Sketch the rounded and gentle face shape, preserving her cute features while keeping your lines smooth. Let's build the hair, with big, flowing orange locks that frame her face and swing beautifully to one side. And remember, if you ever get stuck or things move too fast, just pause the video, take your time, and keep going. Drawing is all about having fun. Chaewon is the leader of SSERAFIM. Calm, responsible, and incredibly charismatic on stage. Move down to the torso, keeping it slender and stylish to match her energetic idol pose. Add the striped yellow crop top, slightly narrower, soft, and beautifully expressive, keeping the look delicate and full of charm. In the Spaghetti MV, her outfit combines cute and bold elements, perfect for her confident personality. Now the pink miniskirt, making sure to include the side slit where her shorts and the tiny stylized skull peek through. For the legs, draw them long and elegant, keeping the proportions in that modern cartoon vibe. Chaewon is widely admired for her calm leadership style. She's known for guiding the group with a mix of warmth, balance, and quiet confidence. Sketch her stylish platform boots, tall and shiny, giving her that bold stage presence. SSERAFIM's concept often explores strength, confidence, and self-expression. Their group name means "I'm fearless" rearranged, fitting their message of resilience. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to support the channel and check out the other tutorials here on Davi Toons Club. And by the way, Chaewon won't be the only one. The other members will appear here very soon. Do you like other K-pop groups? Tell me which idol you'd like to see in cartoon style next.
Draw small random hearts on the fishnet stockings. Also, my apologies, I ended up not recording the part where I drew the fishnet lines. But don't worry, just pause at the end of the video and see how I did it. It's simple. Just cross the lines in a way that forms a checkerboard pattern.
Now the left arm, long and slim, ending in a confident hand resting on her hip, just like in the choreography. Chaewon is known for her precise dance lines and subtle facial expressions. She originally became known in the K-pop world through the survival show that formed iZone. Fans love how she balances elegance with chaotic humor. It's part of her charm. SSERAFIM is one of the most influential fourth-generation girl groups. Draw the right arm raised, finishing with the closed hand near her face and the little pinky up. And yes, don't worry, my cartoon style uses 4 fingers. Their choreographies often mix softness with sharp, powerful movements. K-pop idols typically train for years before debuting, learning singing, dancing, acting, languages, and stage presence. including the little heart and playful text in the center. Chaewon's orange hair from the spaghetti era became instantly iconic. Fans worldwide loved the bold look. Before coloring, here are the main tones: bright orange hair, yellow top with stripes, pink skirt, blue eyes, and black hearts on the stockings. But feel free to color her however you like. This is your moment to be creative. And here's our Chaewon. Stylish, energetic, and full of charm in this modern cartoon style. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.